Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here, and I'm here today with another video. Today I'm going to be demonstrating Alley hair from my favorite online beauty supply, which is, you already know, say it with me, SAMSBEAUTY.com. I have 3 bundles of their 613 hair that comes in a pack with a 13x4 lace frontal. We are going to be making a watercolor wig, so let's do this. In the pack that comes with the bundles and the frontal, they also include wig caps, what the heck, and also some false eyelashes, which were really pretty actually. So I like that all that is included for one low price in one pack. You really can't beat that. So let's watercolor this wig. This is the simplest way to get a vibrant, like cool, like different type of colored wig onto your head. So I'm taking the Kiss Colors semi-permanent hair color, and it is in the color electric yellow. I'm using 2 bottles right here, and I'm just squirting all of the bottles, squeezing it to the very bottom until there's nothing left of both bottles into a glass bowl of boiling hot water. And then I'm just going to mix it with a mixing spoon, and that's what it looks like once you get everything all mixed together. And once again, I'm trying to get every last drop of color because I really want this to be vibrant as possible. I'm going to take the longest bundle and I'm going to put that one in first. I'm going to work my way from the longest to the top of the wig, which would be the frontal. So I'm going to start off with the longest bundle, put it in there with my spoon, press it down, and I'm going to leave it in the water for about 5 minutes. And I want to make sure it's completely submerged. So after leaving it in there for about 5 minutes, I took it out, and that's what it looks like. Like, wow. See how vibrant that is already? You do not have to leave this in for, you know, a long time, like 30 minutes or even 15 minutes. You just have to leave it in there for, I would say 5, maybe 7 if you really want to get that color on there, and take it out, and that's it. So now I'm just moving on to the next one. And I'm just going to submerge that one into the water too. I'm just unraveling it because, as you know, bundles come wrapped up. So I'm just making sure it's unraveled so I can get that color on all of the hair, every single strand. As you can see right here, I have all 3 bundles placed beside the bowl right here, and I'm coloring the frontal. The frontal took to the color very well, even though it was the last bundle that I used, the last piece of hair. It does not stain the lace. I know some people might think that the lace would be stained after dipping it into, you know, submerging the whole entire frontal into any type of colored liquid, but it does not stain the lace. As you can see, this is what it looks like when I get done. It does not look that vibrant, but it gets more vibrant as it dries. And I just let it sit there until it air dried. I did not rinse the color out. I did not wash it as far as shampooing. So I don't know if you can tell, but the hair did not turn all the way yellow. Some strands did not take to the color, so you can still see some blonde peeking through. I'm going to show you right here what I tried to do to fix that, and it didn't work all the way, but I still really like how the wig came out. I actually think it adds a little bit more to the style because it's kind of like an ombre effect is what it created. But I'm going to take some more boiling hot water in this Kool-Aid pitcher actually and squeeze one last bottle of the Kiss semi-permanent hair color in electric yellow into it and just mix that up. Then I submerged the wig one last time into that hair color and let it sit, I would say, for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then I took it out just to try to get some more vibrancy to this yellow color. And this is how it turned out. This is one side that I already have plucked of the hairline, and I'm going to show you how I pluck the other side. All I do is take a pair of tweezers, and I just start from the top of one side of the hair, and I just work my way down to the ear area of the frontal, and I just repeat that over and over, constantly moving my tweezers, not leaving them in one spot for too long because that can create bald spots. And then I'll also move my hand back further away from the front of the hairline just to create more dimension with the hairline. Nobody's hairline is as full as a lot of these wigs come, so I just like thinning it out because it makes it look more natural. And then I'll move to the top of the frontal. I like working in sections. I'll do both sides first, and then I'll move to the top portion and do the same exact thing. Always combing out the excess hair that's coming out, just so I can see what I'm doing. Now I'm going to show you how I created a half up, half down hairstyle with this wig. As you can see, I created a little small ponytail at the top, but it's quite thin. If you don't know me by now, I do not like thin ponytails. I don't like thin hair. I love big hair. So we're going to create a fuller ponytail at the top. I'm taking a leftover track from the wig after I made it, and I'm attaching the leftover track to the ponytail. Then I'm just going to wrap it around, over and over around the thin ponytail until I reach the top. Now I'm going to take the leftover track once I reach the top and wrap that around the base of the ponytail and bobby pin it in place. And once I get done, this is what it looks like right here. I know you can see the bobby pins, but it's okay. We're going to try to mask that as well as possible. And as you can see, the top ponytail is a lot fuller now. It's huge. It is curly and the rest of the hair is straight, but that's okay because we're going to be curling this hair anyway. We're going to be wand curling it. And this is what it looks like in the back. As you can see, it kind of looks like a fishtail a little bit. You can tell that it's kind of wrapped, which I really like. So now I'm going to wand curl the entire wig. To wand curl the hair, I'm using this Next Gadget tool that I got from Amazon. I'll have it linked in the description box below if you're interested. But it has like 6 different attachments that you can attach, different sizes, different type of heating tools that you can attach to the base. And I'm using a large like wand curler this time. It's like medium size. I wouldn't say large. And I'm just going to take medium sized pieces of hair and wrap it around and do that over and over again until I have wand curled the entire wig. So now that I have the entire wig wand curled, I'm just going to be doing a little bit of teasing. I love teasing hair, and this is just going to make it a bit bigger also. So you just take a comb. You can take any type of comb. I'm using a rat tail one, and you're just going to comb upwards. Don't comb the right way. You comb the opposite way, and that will just fluff up the hair even more and create more volume. Alrighty guys, so once I get done teasing, I go ahead and install the wig. You see me do it multiple times. All I did was use my Ghost Bond XL glue. If you're interested in seeing another video where I actually show you how I install my wigs, I'll have that linked above. But I'm just going to use this Nata body foaming mousse to create some baby hairs and do a bit more teasing, and we'll be completely done. So yes guys, this is the finished look. Watercoloring your hair is such an easy thing that you can do with 613 bundles to get colors that you normally wouldn't find wigs in. I've always wanted yellow hair. Yellow is my favorite color. And I got it so easily and affordably with this Kiss color. I love it. I cannot wait to try more colors using this technique. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think of the hairstyle and the hair color in the comments below. And I'll see you next time. Bye.